the fire service as a whole is about safety. We look at the protection of public, their lives, their property. We look at the preservation of our own firefighters. Those are the things that are really important to the fire service as a whole.
So anything that can give somebody pre-warning to let them know we're coming is going to increase our response times. And that's how all of our fire stations get located. We find areas where our response times are slow or long, and we put a station in that area so that our response times improve, so that we get to the victim, patient, whatever, we get to the emergency scene quicker. And so this is just another tool for us, right? So it's going to open up, or a visual tool for the public. You're going down the street, and all of us have done it. We're listening to the music. We're not paying attention really what's in the rear view mirrors, because we know we're going from point A to point B. And but now we have this light flashing up above. We're like, what is this, right? And so once we get the message out there that this message means that there's an emergency vehicle approaching, we'll start looking in our mirrors, see if it's coming at us or behind us, and move to the side to let us go by.
We use different systems to control lighting systems through intersections. We use different systems to alert people that we're coming. A system that can pre-alert, though, to allow drivers to move out of the way as we come up to an approaching scene is going to be a substantial improvement for both the safety of the public and the safety of our firefighters who are responding to that scene, police officers or emergency medical services people. So this use of technology will help us leap forward in advancement